it's colder than it was the other day, yesterday, or last couple days, I should say. It's windy, but it's not too bad. Things are still melting. You can see people's lawns and stuff, so that's good. I just woke up, and I'm a little depressed. There's no Olympics to watch today. It's so sad. Anyway, it's not the end of the world or anything. So just gonna apply to some jobs today, and that's it. It's windy. Cold. I don't know. Wonka's sniffing something. Now that I turn directions, I'm sure you can't hear me because of the wind. So, anyway, good morning and happy Monday. Here I am outside with Wonka again. This is like the third or fourth time he's asked to come out today. And I just took him out maybe not that long ago, probably like 20 minutes ago. I took him out already. And I don't know, he's acting really weird today, so I didn't want to not take him out just in case of anything, but he didn't eat any food yesterday. He hasn't eaten yet today, even though I can hear his stomach growling. He won't like take any of the treats that I give him. Like, he's not acting weird, but it's not normal either. I don't know what's going on. So here we are outside again. I'm hoping whatever it is, he gets out of his system while we're on this walk. But, I don't know, sometimes he's like this. Sometimes he won't eat for a day or whatever, and then he gets back to a normal thing. Not normal, because he only really eats once a day, maybe twice a day on occasion, but most of the time he just eats once a day, and it's not uncommon for him to skip a day. But since I can hear his stomach growling, like, obviously I think he needs to eat, and he's just not eating, and I don't know why. If only dogs could talk to us, so you would know what's wrong with them when they have things wrong with them. Not saying there's anything wrong with them, but I don't know. So here we are outside in the windiness. Let me know if you like the bird videos that I put in the vlogs, or if you'd rather just have me do separate videos, because I put the bird videos in the vlogs, but then I also make a separate video for that I'm calling suburban bird watching. So just let me know if you don't really care about that stuff, and I'll just leave it out of the vlog. But nature is awesome. Yeah, put that on a t-shirt. Someone probably did already. Okay, gonna call it a night for tonight, and I will see you tomorrow as always. Good night.